Hello guys, how you going? Welcome to a different thing of Ride for Hope Australia. Roxy here's laughing, cracking up at me. We have just bought a Pack Talk Neo headsets
Cardo.
from Cardo, yep. So I don't know who runs, if you run a headset. We're already running headsets. We have the SCS 9 from, I bought them through Shark Leather. Their brand's SCS, and here comes the cat meowing at us, as you can hear it in the background. So we'll do a little bit of an unbox of what's happening in here. We pull out everything. Bear with us, this is the first time we've done something like this, so I'll throw that out.
I'm picking that up later.
And
You could have just sat it in front of
saddest
you.
thing I could have done is sat at this front. So I've already had them. I've already gone and put pink on the back of Roxy's so that she knows that's hers, and I know, so we're not.
So then when we're hooking them to our phones, they're hooked to the right phone.
That's right. So we got this. Oh, I better throw that out there. Put that in there. Read that. That's Roxy's, and this one's mine.
Oh, is that for all the inner
So
bits?
all the inner bits. Obviously inside you get a it's a little connector.
So the reason we bought these in the first place was because we were talking about, rather than having these types of ear pieces,
The microphone, the
speakers
speaker.
inside
Put a
our
little-
helmets, was so that we can get the moulded ear pieces.
So obviously we've got to deconstruct our helmets. So we'll deconstruct our helmets.
Well, that feels, they're magnetic. They're magnetic. Do you notice that?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Look at that. So the cat's meowing behind us. So I've pulled my helmet apart, and obviously this is not a how-to. This is just us having a bit of fun.
Oh, don't even ask me.
Okay, I won't ask you then.
Oh, don't.
And I got a Shark helmet. You got a HJC helmet. I have the, as we've said in previous videos, the flip-up one, and the cat is just.
Just ignore the cat.
Just ignore the cat. So there you go. So mine folds out and it comes out right out. The original. Maybe we should have thought about doing this differently, because I'm struggling. There we go. I got that off. This is going to get edited.
I hope so. Because people don't want to watch us being
Quambies.
useless.
You're going to have to.
Not at all.
So that's my old headset, and it's they're not an expensive brand.
Oh, I see.
I don't think they're the cheapy ones you can get off eBay, but they're still good. So it's good. So there we go. We struggled. We'll see what happens.
I've got to tighten this up anyway, so thankfully
Righto.
I've got to take it out to tighten it up anyway. Oh, goodness me.
Right.
Yeah, mine's
So we
up
got
here.
speakers.
There.
So there's the old one. They will go to Flynn. That one will go to Flynn. He's got the
Legally, though, he's not allowed to.
Oh, because he's on his
For the
elves.
time being, while he's on his L's. So in New South Wales, I assume it's in other states as well, but in New South Wales, a learner rider is not allowed to have a headset. They're not allowed to ride with a headset, just so that they're not distracted from the road, etc. So he's legally not allowed to have one at the moment.
So because we've got stuff already in there, we will utilise what we've got in here to stick our speakers in. So take the speaker, we'll undo that. Now obviously the speaker, the shorter, there's a long one. which will go on the right side. And you place that in.
So where's my bits and pieces?
Little bits and pieces are in there.
I just had mine out and you've pinched mine.
No, there's
Oh,
that's
they're
yours.
Here. Never
This
mind,
is
look
mine.
at here.
Oh, yeah. So I'll grab this camera.
Is this one I'm doing? The one with this doohickey?
Yep. So grab the camera here. As you can see in there, there's a little spot in there that the for our speakers, and then so I'll do that.
So that one goes
Just
on
put
there.
that there. So that'll go.
Oh, mine's got a little moulding and everything for it to go through as well.
Oh, God.
So,
And I'm going to have problems with them, I can tell straight away.
why?
I just think,
Because of your glasses?
no, because of the size of my head. But that's alright, I'll just come and cut a bit out. So that goes in there. Obviously, you work your wire out where your wire's going. Do that. And so, there we go.
That's stuck on itself.
Yeah, leave it in there.
No, it's stuck.
Oh.
It's like not on properly.
Well, you can pull
Look.
it out. What am I looking for?
Oh, you're a fly by the seat of your pants sort of dude anyway, honey.
Yep, that's right. So I'm going to use that one. So that, obviously, they clip into there. They clips into there. Look, there's heaps and heaps of clips on how to do this properly, correctly
On YouTube.
on YouTube. Cardo bring out videos all the time. If you have a look at Cardo, obviously we've purchased this. We're not in a position to get paid sponsorship yet, but Cardo wanna, you know, by all means start. I'm gonna stick mine on because you get another bit. Another piece here that you can stick on your helmet, and I would probably prefer to do that and have that clipping. And I've got to look at where I'm going to put it. Where's the best spot? We'll go right there. I'll have to flip this open. I think we might edit this and do this all again.
So what's that one? Is that a microphone too?
So that's the microphone. We won't use that one because we'll get this one for the open face.
Yeah.
And there's supposed to be a set way that goes on.
Oh, mozzies are eating me. Oh, so you sticking yours on and not using this?
Yes, because that's a bit wide for mine.
Upside down, Miss Jane.
I'll let that dry. I hope you're having fun watching this, because I can tell you this is
This is a
comical.
pain in the butt.
So you're gonna work out where you put it. She's been getting busy, my mozzies. So there. Mine's gonna go right there like that. Like that. And then I'll put my little cradle on. It goes in. Bet you I've got it in the wrong spot. Clipped in nice and neatly. Then I get my unit. My unit goes in, you put it down at the front of it, goes down, and then clips. Goes in first. Or goes in backwards. Goes backwards first. Clips in your gooseberry. That's to charge it. Righto. Now this, I don't know if I'm a big fan of this yet. It clips into the back of the unit like that. Goes there, and then hooks into the speakers. That clips in like that.
Oh,
That just
bugger.
floats.
Ow.
What have you done? You're dropping
I'm
stuff.
dropping stuff on the ground.
Got rubbish everywhere. So obviously comes with pocket guide, couple of pocket guides, tells you how to do it. I do need that case back, don't I?
I don't know. What are you talking about?
Throw stuff away. So it's the second generation dynamic mesh communication. It's got natural voice operations. It's waterproof. It's got a universal Bluetooth intercom and over-the-air software updates. It can connect up to 15, 16 riders. Well, there you go. I just read that off that. So.
Well, your microphone doesn't go up near your eyeballs, baby.
Yep. There we go. Righto.
Mine's done.
I'm going to throw mine away. Roxy's done hers. My lining's not done properly, so there you go.
You're going to fiddle with it
I'll
now.
fiddle with it off camera, and we'll come back to you some other day. But before using, download the Cardo. So yeah, we have downloaded the Cardo app. It gives you good, complete instructions on how to do it. So if you really want to have a look at it, get online. We got the Pack Talk Neo. There it is. There's our little journey into. I've got my head down.
Don't rely on us. Don't rely on us.
This is a not what to do, obviously.
This is the layman's version of trying to put headsets in.
I really didn't think about what I was doing, did I? Anyway, guys, go ahead and get yourself a set. They are a good system. Good to talk to us. We have Flynn, as you've seen in the videos, has got his L's. He does have one in his helmet, but we can communicate to him, let him know what's happening, where he should be on the road, things like that. Usually Roxy case was today. You've seen we went for a ride with Luke. That video will be out, whether it comes out before this one or after this one, probably before, because I'm gonna just edit like this, like it's mad. But we had Roxy in front and myself last, so they are a little bit protected in between us, getting used to the road. Luke's had his L's for about 12 months. He should be on his P's now, but
yeah, but he works weekends.
He's a chef, and
the P classes are only on weekends, and his job as a chef requires him to work on weekends.
So yeah, so there we go. So normally, if Flynn's by himself, we tell him don't turn it on.
He's not allowed it. Well, I actually take it off him.
Hey, there you go.
So I usually take it off him when he's riding on his own, but when he's riding with us, it's easier because we can give him pointers and things like that as well.
So yeah, so we can give him that. Nor when we first took him for a ride, we let him out front, so he doesn't have to worry about a bike being in front of him and worrying what they're going to do. And as you know, we're telling him to give him some space. And as Roxy had said to him, trust yourself. You can't trust the other bike. So your ability is what helps you. So if you know you're a good rider and in a pack, for those people that ride in packs, you ride tight and close, and you go on.
But ride to your level of ability.
Yeah, that's
Period.
Exactly right. So
it doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter what you do. Ride to your ability. So if that means slowing down, slow down. It's your life that's in your hands.
That's right. So, guys, on that, she's probably not gonna like this because this is the way it is. But also, it's good for your mental health. I like to think of this as when I'm in a fix. You know, I'm not doing well. I read Philippians 4:6. And it says, don't be anxious about anything. Don't be anxious about everything. But with everything, with prayer and petition, present your request to God. And the God of a loving God of understanding will guide you.
And for those that aren't religious, like myself.
I'm not religious. I've got a strong faith.
Yes, and that's fine. And everyone should have a faith in something. But if you don't read the Bible, trust in your own knowing, trust in your gut, trust in where you should be.
There we go. So, in saying that, God bless you all.
Blessings to you.
I'm a Christian. She's a witch. Work that one out. There you go. We love each other and we support each other. So love one another, support one another, give kindness, and wherever you go, raise hope. Give confidence everywhere. Give people, you know,
bring them a smile.
Bring them a smile. That's it. Yeah, as I've been watching it. Rowan Atwood in America. He has a brand called Smile More, which is good. Which is really good. But share the hope, share the love, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. So I worked it out. I got it on, got it in, pain in the butt, and it's good. So there we go. See ya.